In this video, we will be sharing the top takeaways from the book that will help you to better understand the psychology of money, create a financial plan, take action, and much more. Whether you're looking to increase your income, reduce expenses, or simply gain a better understanding of your finances, this video has something for you. Lesson 1. Understand the psychology of money. One of the most important lessons in the book Money, Master the Game by Anthony Robbins is understanding the psychology of money. This means recognizing how our beliefs and emotions influence our relationship with money, and how this in turn affects our financial decisions and outcome. Have you ever found yourself spending more than you should on things you don't need, or avoiding taking financial risks because you're afraid of failure? These are examples of how our psychological relationship with money can hold us back from achieving our financial goals. Robbins teaches us that in order to improve our financial situation, we must first improve our financial mindset. This means becoming aware of the limiting beliefs and emotions that are holding us back and replacing them with empowering ones. By doing so, we can increase our financial intelligence and make better financial decisions. One way to improve our financial mindset is by becoming more financially literate. This means gaining knowledge about personal finance, investing, and economics. The more we understand about money, the better equipped we are to make smart financial decisions. Another important aspect of understanding the psychology of money is learning to manage our emotions. Robbins suggests that we can do this by setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. By having a clear vision of what we want to achieve financially, we can become more focused and less likely to be swayed by impulses or fear. In summary, understanding the psychology of money is crucial for achieving financial success. By becoming aware of the limiting beliefs and emotions that influence our relationship with money and taking steps to improve our financial mindset, we can increase our financial intelligence and make better financial decisions. Lesson 2. Create a financial plan. When it comes to achieving financial success, having a plan is essential. In Money, Master the Game Anthony Robbins emphasizes the importance of setting financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. But what exactly does creating a financial plan involve? It's not just about creating a budget and sticking to it. It's a comprehensive approach that includes setting goals, understanding the different types of investments and their potential returns, and identifying the steps you need to take to achieve those goals. One key aspect of creating a financial plan is setting specific, measurable, and time-bound financial goals. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or paying off debt, having a clear idea of what you want to achieve will help you to stay motivated and focused. Another important step in creating a financial plan is understanding the different types of investments and their potential returns. This includes stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. Robbins suggests that diversifying your investments is important to minimize risk and maximize returns. Finally, a financial plan is not complete without a budget. Robbins suggests creating a budget that is realistic and easy to stick to. This means identifying your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, and variable expenses, such as entertainment or dining out, and then determining how much you can afford to save or invest. In summary, creating a financial plan is an essential step in achieving financial success. By setting specific, measurable, and time-bound financial goals, understanding the different types of investments and their potential returns, and creating a budget that is realistic and easy to stick to, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Lesson 3. Take action. Taking action means putting your plan into action and taking the necessary steps to achieve your financial goals. It means being proactive and not just waiting for opportunities to come to you. It also means being persistent and not giving up when faced with obstacles. But how do you actually go about taking action? One key strategy is to break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes them less daunting and easier to achieve. Additionally, Robbins suggests to set a deadline for each step, as this will keep you accountable and motivated to see it through. Another important aspect of taking action is to surround yourself with people who will support and encourage you. This includes seeking the advice and guidance of financial experts and joining a community of like-minded individuals who are also working towards financial success. Robbins also mentions that taking action also means taking calculated risks. Oftentimes, the most significant financial gains come from taking calculated risks. By being strategic about the risks you take, you can increase your chances of success. In conclusion, taking action is crucial for achieving financial success. By breaking down your goals into smaller steps, setting deadlines, surrounding yourself with supportive people, and being strategic about taking calculated risks, you can turn your financial plan into reality. Remember that success is not a destination, but a journey. And taking action is the first step on that journey. Lesson 4. Master the art of negotiation. Negotiation is not just about getting the best deal. It's about finding a mutually beneficial solution. It's about understanding the other party's perspective and coming up with a solution that works for both of you. In order to be successful in negotiation, you need to be prepared, confident, and able to think on your feet. One key strategy for successful negotiation is to have a clear understanding of what you want and what you're willing to compromise on. This means doing your research and having facts and figures to back up your position. Another important aspect of negotiation is understanding the other party's perspective. This means listening actively and trying to understand where they're coming from. By doing so, you'll be able to come up with a solution that works for both of you. Robbins also suggests using emotions to your advantage in negotiation. This means using body language, tone of voice, and other nonverbal cues to convey confidence, sincerity, and empathy. Lesson 5. Build and maintain wealth. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. But what does it truly mean to build and maintain wealth? It's not just about earning a high salary or having a lot of money in the bank. Building and maintaining wealth is about creating long-term financial stability and security. It's about creating a solid foundation for your future and ensuring that your money is working for you. One key strategy for building and maintaining wealth is to diversify your investments. This means not putting all your eggs in one basket and spreading your money across different types of investments such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. By diversifying, you minimize risk and maximize returns. Another important aspect of building and maintaining wealth is minimizing debt. Robbins suggests paying off high-interest debt as soon as possible and avoiding taking on new debt. By reducing your debt, you free up more money to invest and save for the future. Finally, one of the most important strategies for building and maintaining wealth is to make saving and investing a habit. This means setting aside a portion of your income for long-term savings and investments and doing so consistently. Lesson 6. Overcome financial challenges. Financial challenges come in all shapes and sizes, such as unexpected expenses, job loss, or market downturns. These challenges can be stressful and overwhelming, but they can also serve as an opportunity for growth and development. One key strategy for overcoming financial challenges is to have an emergency fund. Robbins suggests having at least 6 months of living expenses saved up in case of unexpected events. This way, you'll have a safety net to fall back on when times get tough. Another important aspect of overcoming financial challenges is to manage stress. Financial stress can lead to poor decision-making and impulsive behavior. Robbins suggests finding ways to manage stress such as exercise, meditation, or talking to a financial advisor. Finally, Robbins encourages to see financial challenges as an opportunity for growth and development. By learning from your mistakes and taking a proactive approach to problem solving, you can come out stronger and more financially secure. Lesson 7. Live a rich life. A rich life is one that is balanced and fulfilling. It's about having a sense of purpose and feeling fulfilled in different areas of your life, such as your career, relationships, health, and personal growth. One key strategy for living a rich life is to prioritize and achieve both personal and financial goals simultaneously. This means setting goals in different areas of your life and creating a plan to achieve them. By doing so, you'll be able to create a balance between your financial and personal life. Another important aspect of living a rich life is to find ways to give back. This means using your resources, time, and talents to help others. Giving back not only benefits the recipients but also enriches your own life. Finally, Robbins suggests to be mindful of the present moment and appreciate what you have. True wealth is not just about the amount of money you have, but also about the quality of your life. We've learned that achieving financial success is not just about earning a high salary or having a lot of money in the bank. It's about creating long-term financial stability and security. It's about creating a solid foundation for our future and ensuring that our money is working for us. We've also learned that true wealth is not just about money, but also about having a fulfilling and balanced life. It's about having a sense of purpose and feeling fulfilled in different areas of our life, such as our career, relationships, health, and personal growth. As we move forward, it's important to remember that financial success is not a destination, but a journey. It takes time, discipline, and the right strategies in place to achieve it. We encourage you to implement the strategies discussed in this video and continue to learn and grow on your financial journey. We also recommend that you read the book for more in-depth information and check out additional resources for further learning. Anthony Robbins' website and other financial experts can provide you with valuable information and support on your financial journey.